Okay, so in previous video we saw that when we were trying to convert a string which was like this, so it was giving an error, right? And but when we were doing like this, it was working fine, right? Now there might be a possibility where I have a scenario where I really need to convert whatever the input is coming, right? And I need to convert that to int. However, to safeguard such kind of error, I'm introducing a new function which is called isdigit. But prior to that, we'll try to understand if I have to handle such scenario, what could be the possible way. There can be many. I will be discussing one try catch one. So maybe I'll try to let's have something called input data, and let's set to 100 first time, and then we are going to print int of input data, and then what accept exception z print not a number, and then we'll try to see print the exception as well, right? Now this code will work fine because right now it is a number and it is not a problem at all. So let's try to see with this problem whether it will still breaks or what will happen. Now see here, so the code didn't break, it just handled this exception not a number, and it also explained we are also getting some with the base Bhanu, it is some invalid literal exception. However, this is again not is this not a number? I cannot be sure, right? It might be some other exception which is coming occurring in the code, right? So just to be sure, and in safeguarding such case, what we do is generally what we do, we have some when we have a function called if input data dot each digit. So that's an inbuilt function we have. So basically it returns true and false. So if it is a digit, it will return true. If it is not a digit, then it will return false. And then I will do, if it is a digit, then I will try to do that conversion, else I can tell that it's not a number, because that time this function basically check for number, right? So yeah, so this is not a number, right? If I do the same implementation and I just kind of change the input data to the 100, right? So I'm expecting so now it will print the 100. So this each digit is the function which I want to introduce to you. That's all for this video. See you in the next another video.